You are like a city that is being built on a hill. Nga dili gyud masalipdan, makitaan jud ka, mahinomduman jud ka, and it will become your legacy.
Iyang gusto sa atong kinabuhi mahimo gyud tang mabungahon. Itawag ta niya o gihimo ta niyang mabungahon.
Your life is the greatest legacy that can pass on to the people behind you. Everything we receive will become a raw materials to build a legacy.
Wherever the presence of God is, there is blessing, there is harvest, there is multiplication, there is miracle. Dapat ang first priority is to seek and to soak in the presence of God. Ang imo pong vision, na mo yung nag-push, nag-drive ni mo kung magpadayon. Vision speaks about the future. Muro na nag-equivalent sa faith. Faith is the substance of things hoped for, evidence.
Entering in our happy hour.
I will do whatever you ask in my name, so that the Father may be glorified in the Son. You may ask me for anything in my name, and I will do it. Kung mutuman lang ta sa gisugo sa Ginoo, tumanon pud niya ang atong pangayoon.
Produce fruits from what is planted in you. Because di pabunga man nimo kung unsay gitanom nga mamayang liso, you will become the light. Every day, imong gisulti, imong gibuhat, imong kinaiya, you are building a kingdom legacy. Plant a right seed into your life. Ang pag-build nimo depende na kung sa'y gitanom nimo dinhi sa sulod. Everything imong madawat, it is a form of a seed nga gitanom nimo dinhi.